Hello, my name is Shimek, and in this video I will show you how to use and edit your print templates.
Basic settings must be made in the menu in order to determine which dimensions and labeling are shown in the design and in the views. To do this, go to Menu, Manage, Print Templates. All print templates are displayed in the selector. Let's take a look at the Design Floor Plan print template. There is an example view in the center. We can now determine how the floor plan should be displayed when we are in the design context. It starts with the print area, the orientation, and whether the legend should be displayed or not can be defined. We will continue with the visibility settings. Opacity, dimensioning, and labeling can be defined here. Starting with the items. This is set to visible, but can be set to 50% or invisible. The checkboxes for dimensioning and labeling can be activated. A small note: material zones are niche claddings as well as floor coverings. Use this principle to define all areas. Next come the general settings for dimensioning, labeling, and presentation settings. Let's take a look at another example, the installation plan. The setting here is that 50% of the items are visible and the installation symbols are completely visible. Dimensioning and labeling are also activated. We can add or hide extension lines for dimensioning. It is also possible to specify the site from which dimensions are to be taken. When labeling, it is possible to decide where the label should be displayed, whether in the view or outside of the view. Now let's take a look at the print templates in a design. The active print template is shown at the bottom left. This can also be changed if required. Now we are in the room context and have opened the room print template. Now, for example, if to add installation symbols to the wall view, simply open the installation plan print template. Add the required symbols, and everything is displayed as entered in the menu. If the previous selected setting is not suitable for this design, the same settings can be changed in the inspector. These changes only apply to this design and this print template. This gives the option of customizing the views for each design. Remember, everything visible in the editing process will also be visible in the printout. Consequently, when editing the worktop, for example, switch the items to 50% visibility for better editing. The items will then also be visible in the printout. They would therefore have to be set invisible again before this view is printed.
Thank you for your attention and see you in the next video.